Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be reacting to Five Nights at Freddy's Birds of Prey Fnaf animation. And I love Five Nights at Freddy's, so let's jump into it. Oh, I love the title. I just like the animation. It's so pretty. No, it's moving. You see how we just got up? You see how we just fell and got up? That's me every day when my kids come in here and they burst into the room. That's literally my reaction every morning. Oh my gosh, they're so creepy. Even though I'm 23, it's creepy. Don't. Dang, why they leave her? Or him. It. The thing. The bird. The chicken. The turkey. Whatever it is. Bok bok. No. 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 What's that? What's that? Again, that's me when my kids are saying they're hungry. And they just got done eating, and then I'm over there hiding trying to eat my food. No. Oh, it looks heavy the way it's running. Please. Oh gosh. Is it Springtrap? What's that? Why am I jumping? Run! Run faster! Run faster! Oh, look, you're dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. Oh, it caught you. Oh, crap. Right? Oh, Foxy Tag, you're next. Oh, they're all gone. Freddy! Aw. All your friends are gone. You better hightail it for your next. That's so sad. What is your problem? Shoot. What is that? It's gonna flip the car, ain't it? Looks like Nightmare Freddy. It better not. Nope. Oh, holy pancakes. Oh, Nightmare Chica. Just gonna stare, huh? No one can help. Oh. Oh no. What? Oh man. Ooh, crossover. So like this is like a series then, right? Watching another one. Okay, this one's called Five Nights at Freddy's I Am Marionette. These are like too short, right? They're really good. The animations are good. No, 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 no. I don't like that. Where you headed for? I know your man do not come home stomping like that. No. Oh, my heart.
Michelle? Oh no!
Why you do that? Why you just walk in there and just do that to her? Wow, you're rude because you just... Yo, he got a receding hairline. Talk about some whoopsie. Is he in like a psychiatric ward? It looked like he had a psychiatric ward, like a crazy place. Oh no! Oh no! I'm gonna need you to not do that.
I'm here.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Look! Look! Why are you walking? Why can't you just glide gracefully to him? No, no, I don't do morgues. I don't do morgues. I don't do morgues. I don't do morgues. I'm gonna have to do the morgue night though.
Why did you do it?
He peeping around, he ain't. He peeping around the corner.
You!
So you finna go heads up with a robot? Where you get that from? Clappity clap. Ooh. Another jab. 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 Oh, you creep! What are you doing? See, he creeping. He creeping behind him. He's like, come on, Steven. Come on, it's okay. We gonna make you feel better now.
Oh no!
Steven, you done killed somebody.
No, no, no!
It was him, wasn't it? It was him, wasn't it?
Oh, jeez, please.
See, Steven, now you need your butt cheeks beat. You need to be beaten now.
No.
Don't ever put your hands on a female. Don't ever do that. That's a no-no. Or you gonna be put away for a long, long time. What is Steven did a no-no. Oh, so the puppet made him do it. Wow. It's your fault. You just watching him? He's like, And these stories is like real deal, like, ooh, giving me chills down my spine. Ooh, ooh, I gotta sleep tonight. But I'm gonna end it there, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.